Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you want to declutter your taskbar or hide the TeamViewer icon from your desktop, I will show you exactly how to adjust your settings and Windows preferences right now. Let's get started. First, we will move the icon into the hidden Overflow menu so it is not visible on your main taskbar. Right-click on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Other System Tray Icons or Taskbar Corner Overflow in Windows 10 and find TeamViewer in the list. Toggle the switch to Off to hide the icon behind the small upward arrow in your tray. Next, we need to ensure the app doesn't stay on your taskbar after you close the window. Open TeamViewer, go to Extras and select Options or click the gear icon in the new interface. Click on Advanced on the left and select Show Advanced Settings. Find the Advanced Settings for General section and check the box for Close to Tray menu before clicking OK. Finally, to remove the icon from your desktop and Start menu, simply right-click the TeamViewer desktop shortcut and select Delete. To remove it from your taskbar, if it is pinned, right-click the icon while the app is closed and select Unpin from Taskbar. This removes all visual shortcuts without affecting the background service's ability to receive connections. While these steps will hide the icons, please keep a few limitations in mind. For security reasons, TeamViewer is designed to show a small notification panel whenever a remote session is active, which cannot be completely hidden in standard versions. Also, while the icons are hidden, the TeamViewer Service.exe will still be visible in the Windows Task Manager under the Processes or Services tab. Finally, you may need administrator rights to modify taskbar overflow settings or to delete shortcuts from the All Users desktop folder. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.